Here are some of the best apps for creating logos for your brand. Number 1. LogoMaker, a design creator, available for both iOS and Android. This app provides easy tools for creating custom logos. Number 2. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform available on web and mobile, offering customizable templates for social media, presentations, posters, and more. With drag and drop functionality, millions of design elements, and collaboration tools, users can easily create and share content. Canva offers both free and pro plans, with Pro providing features like premium templates, resizing tools, and brand kits for consistent design. Number 3. DesignEvo offers both web-based and mobile versions with many templates and icons for building logos. Number 4. Adobe Express, formerly Adobe Spark, powerful app by Adobe for creating not just logos but also various kinds of visual content, available on iOS and Android. All these tools offer both free and premium options, depending on your design needs. Make sure to check them out, all apps for logo design for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming recommendations. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to Feeble Boy.